Hello there. So you want to know how you can sign up or create an account of Temu on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on App Store and then search for Temu just like that, and then click on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now to create an account, as you can see, it's just going to ask you just like that to go ahead and create an account. So let me just go ahead and do this security verification real quick. And once the verification is done, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, click on sign in/register, and then now all you need to do is simply go ahead and continue with any of these, or you could also tap on continue with email and just enter your email and click on continue. If you don't have an account, it's just going to go ahead and help you create one by asking you password and then to confirm that email. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.